In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then tap on Screen Lock. Click on one of those lock methods to pick a perfect one for you and create it. Hit Continue. Repeat it to confirm it and choose Confirm. Now manage lock screen notifications over here, and when you finished, hit Done. So now when I switch off my screen, and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!